Your data is like a single domino. The moment it's stolen, it starts a chain reaction that puts the information that guards your assets at risk.
$21,000 just gone.
I opened my account and $30,000 is missing, like $30,000. And I realized right there, I have no idea what to do.
With LifeLock, if your identity is stolen, they'll step in and fix it so you don't have to. Guaranteed.
Once LifeLock got involved, everything changed.
Our highly trained U.S.-based restoration specialists handle your case from start to finish. They contact institutions, dispute fraudulent charges, and more.
LifeLock pursued this case further than I ever would have imagined.
And as extra protection, all LifeLock memberships include the $1 Million Protection Package with coverage up to $3 million. Or visit lifelock.com/join35 to get 35% off your first year. Call now.